Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel Soul is Life. Today I'll be showing you the pieces that I'm going to be working with. To begin, we have two straps. It's more of a band that's going to go over the front section of the top. It's cut on a fold. They both the same exact length and same exact width. Then we have the back section of the top. It's cut on a fold, depending on where you're going to put your closure. And then here we have the front section of the top. The seam allowance already added. The under bust dart and above bust dart is already added. And this is the other side. So to begin, I'm going to start pinning the dots. So this would be the front of the top. What I'm going to do is fold the dots. I'm going to go ahead, pin the marking. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to go ahead, stitch the dot, and there's a under bust dart. I'm going to go ahead and stitch the under bust dart on both sides. So I've pinned all 4 dots, and I'm going to go ahead now and stitch all 4 dots down, and I'll be back to show you what we're going to do next. After we're finished sewing the dots on the top, what I did was I placed a liner piece along the top, which is the upper bust area, and the armhole. So I'm going to go ahead now, stitch and serge this liner on, and I'll be back to show you what we're going to do next. This is what the finish stitching of the liner on the upper bust looks like. I still have to serge the end, so I'm going to do the salvage end at the end. And now what I did was, there were the 2 front pieces and there were 2 back strap pieces. So what I did was I placed the front strap piece wrong side facing the right side. So we have wrong side facing the right side, and then we have the back strap piece with right side facing the right side, and I pinned them down on the side. I did the same with the other side. So now I'm just going to stitch my seam allowance down. So I'm going to go ahead now and stitch the seam allowance on both sides, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So after I've joined the side pieces to the top and the front piece to the top, this is what the finished top looks like. So I've done the exact same thing I did on this side, on the other side. This is the front area of the top. There we have the 2 top darts and the bottom under bust darts. This is the front piece that goes on the right, on the wrong side facing the right side of the top. On both sides we have the same thing. Here on this side we have the band of the back strap that goes from all the way facing right side facing each other, and it goes all the way to the back. So here we have the finished top, and this is what it looks like. And here we have the back section, the pattern for the top. This is the back. The length of this is your preference, so the measurement is as it goes, but the length you could do it as long or as short as you would like it done. Also, this is the front. This is the front section that goes in front, over the front portion of the top. So you have the measurements already laid out, and like I said, you could do the length as long or as short as you wish. The length actually is just your preference. And this is the front pattern for the top. This is where you have the darts. This is where you have the upper butt dart. I placed the darts 1 inch, but if you want to make a bigger dart, just make sure and add the allowance for the bigger dart that you're doing. But this would be the pattern for the front piece, which you will cut on a fold and add your seam allowances.